Hi, welcome to Wealth Mill Securities weekly brief, and I'm happy to present you the events that went during last week and how the things are that's going to pan out in Indian markets in next coming week. Of course, as usual, the FIs are continue to be net buyers all these days. The anticipation from the market was FI flows will come down. No, absolutely, there is no change in the FII flows. They remained to be strong, and FIs are the continuous buyers every day, except a couple of days, with the exception for one day. Otherwise, FIs are always continuous buyers. The other side, the domestic institutional investors, they have been selling all these days except 1-2 days. Net the domestic institutional investors are the net sellers. What does it mean? The domestic institutional investors, they are selling, whereas the stock is getting accumulated by the foreign portfolio investors. So this is the change of hands, and the prices are changing hands at a higher level. That's why the markets are trending in a positive territory. $1 million question right now is when the correction will come, and there are many people who have been waiting for a correction in the market from the month of March. Of course, if they are waiting for the correction, they will be still waiting for a correction. It never comes. But expect the unexpected things in the market, as I always kept on telling our investors, expect the unexpected things in the market. At present, the strategy for every investor in these markets is extremely important. As Nifty is trading around 14,350 levels, and Sensex is trading around near to 49,000 levels. Wherever there are excessive profits in your portfolio, just try to be on cash. It's not a mandatory thumb rule. Whenever you get some kind of excessive returns, try to take some cash from the table, because you don't know when the correction will knock your door. And also, just to share about our thoughts, don't try to be always on cash also. It's extremely important. You need to balance between your position in the market and also your cash level in your portfolio. If you are 100% on cash, you will become an underperformer in the market. Like if there is a correction in the market, ultimately what happens is, currently at present, the domestic institutional investors, they are sitting again on a mountain of cash. So these fund managers will become outright underperformers in the market if they continue to be on cash. So any dip, immediately there will be a rebound, until unless there is a massive, some kind of a second wave or any unexpected, unusual event that's going to come. Don't expect a major correction in the market, because market is currently flooded with liquidity. None of the investors, they don't want to earn just 4% of 4 to 5% on a fixed deposit. Across the globe, when the interest rates are in a negative territory or at zero territory, the one and only option is invest in equities. And Indian equities are very attractive at present. Even though despite of there is a rally in the market, still there are many opportunities lying in the large cap stocks. There are opportunities in mid cap stocks, and also there are plenty of opportunities available in small cap stocks. It is the appetite of the customers and how to position themselves, the investors position themselves in the market, that's extremely important. For example, Reliance at these levels, currently Reliance is at 1900, looks very attractive for a longer term to medium term perspective. If you have Reliance, L&T, and stocks from FMCG, Hindustan Lever, and a couple of IT stocks, even one IT stock like between Infosys or TCS, you own Indian market. You will have a complete exposure towards all the sectors in Indian markets. So this is the large cap opportunities always available for the investors. As you all aware, Larsen & Toubro, when it was an ignored stock, unflavored stock, Last 4-5 months we have been advocating our investors to buy Larsen and Toubro, and you all seen Larsen and Toubro from a bottom of 960, which was 2 months back or 3 months back, currently is trading at 1370, which have given a nearly 30 to 40% returns to the investors. And also on 13th December, we shared about a company to our investors by name Hemisphere Properties. Just go and check our previous videos. The stock was educated to the investors and our investors, and we also shared in the public domain to invest around the 70 rupees levels. Today the stock is around 112 rupees. It is within a month, it's up by nearly 45% to the investors. So I can say this is the excessive exuberance or excessive returns from the investors, because what else you need when a debt bond holder or a FD holder, when they're struggling to get 4 to 5% return, 1.5 month or it's less than 1 month, investors got 45% return is fabulous. Go and book some profit, take a partial profit, don't be too much greedy. There will be a consolidation in the stock. Of course it is under valued stock, I do believe that, but whenever stocks give such a sudden spurt, try to take some profit from the table. That's also extremely important to the investors in these kind of markets. Probably it might come down, or if you are don't exit completely, okay, try to book some profit from the table. That's a good strategy to follow in these markets. Always try to buy on dips, and as I told you, whenever there is a excess exuberance, try to book some profit from the table. This is the main strategy. And second one is, I keep on gets calls from investor, do you want us to invest in DHFL, or somebody tweets or ask call our research team. See, just keep in mind, okay, these are the stories which are under insolvency bankruptcy code under NCLT. So when the debt holders are losing nearly 80 to 90% of their debt, what a equity shareholder is going to get is completely zero. So don't buy any stock before the capital restructuring. Okay, if you buy any stock which is there under IRP mode, you are going to lose your money. Even though the stock might be hitting upper circuit, but you are bound to lose your money, that's for sure. So don't try to experiment those kind of stock stories. Be careful entering into those kind of pockets. We at Wealth Mill Securities, we don't allow our investors to get into those kind of stocks outright. And as an investor, check your portfolio when you have the weekly review, or when you get a weekly update of your portfolio. Check your portfolio, and if the stocks in your portfolio are down, for example, many of our investors were holding earlier, they bought a company by name Panasonic Carbon. It was back in 2017. The stock is a very high quality stock, and 75% of the holding is held by the promoters, and it is owned by Panasonic, and they give 100% dividend on face value. Every year they give 100% dividend, but the stock volumes are very less. Last 3 years, if you observe, in a single day the stock never traded above 25,000 quantity. Some days it is hundreds only. But it's a great story, because the institutional investors' interest is not there in those particular counters. So those kind of stocks, if they are, since they have not moved anywhere, don't get neglected or don't get disappointed. These are the stocks just brewing to give good returns over a period of time. And once the market enters into these kind of exuberant times, these are the stocks, they are bound to give good returns. Please go and buy such stocks, and don't expect any immediate fireworks from these stocks. Try to accumulate it. Every stock have a accumulation phase and also a rising phase. So this stock was consolidating nearly 2-3 years time, but once these stocks gives a breakout, they can be a multiplier effect they can give in your portfolio. So try to get those kind of, if you have any kind of laggards in your portfolio, is the reason is just people are not aware that particular stock, that's the reason the stock has not moved anywhere? Or is there any fundamentally problem in this company? You need to check. If there is a fundamentally problem in this company, that's where you need to be cautious. If the company is a good promoter holding company and also good management and the business prospects looks promising in the days to come, that is the stock you need to invest. So we are not here to tell our investors to buy every week a new stock, no, but our endeavor with Wealth Mill Securities is to create wealth to our investors. So if you have existing stock portfolio like Bharat Seeds, Piramal Enterprises, even if you are holding Panasonic Carbon, these are the stocks you can accumulate. Of course, there are some trading ideas that keeps we'll be updating to our investors on a regular basis, but for that you need to call our research team, and you can call me to know about more those kind of details. We'll be navigating you throughout the trading day, and how to overcome the unusual fluctuations are when the markets are rising, how the investors need to strategize your portfolio. That's what our teams will be sharing with you. Currently market is trying to discount the news that's going to come from the union budget, so there will be heightened activity in the coming days. So stay invested and stay healthy. That's all with me. Thank you.